This traditional marriage happened live and direct at Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. This is where the bride met the groom, and the groom showed her some appreciation by spraying money as she danced. This is such a beautiful sight to behold. This is how it happens in Africa. This is a very beautiful bride, a beautiful Igbo bride. This second outfit is also a traditional outfit of the Igbo people. The bride is from Nnewi, Anambra State, while the groom is from Abia State. So this is where the person representing the father of the bride is giving her the drink to go and find the groom. This is such a beautiful sight. This is how it happens in Igbo land. This is the Igbo traditional marriage. So beautiful. Now just take a good look at what she's going to do now. Every step, everything symbolizes something here. You see how she's dancing, and her friends are like supporting her. They are giving her the ginger. Say, go ahead, we are there with you. We are doing this with you. Go ahead, you are doing the right thing. They are cheering her as she dances towards her groom. This is how it happens in every part of Igbo land. This is how the Igbo traditional marriage happens. This is such a beautiful bride, adorned with her beads, her beautiful outfits, a lovely makeup, a nice hairdo, and of course, beautiful dance steps. Oh my God, can you see the groom from here? Such a handsome gentleman. Look at these lovely smiles on his face. This is so beautiful to behold. Wow, this is beautiful. And she's kneeling before her husband. She tastes the drink and then she hands it to her husband and he drinks from it. This is so nice. You know, there is something that usually happens sometimes where a groom would not want to take that drink. The person would just pour it away stylishly, but man, look at what this groom did. He drank it all, and then he dropped a huge cash into the cup. This is so nice. A huge congratulations to the both of them. This is beautiful. Congrats to them. May God bless their marriage. Now look at the guests in attendance, the lovely guests in attendance. I'm just bringing it to you as it is hot, very hot, as it just happened. This wedding just happened in less than a week ago. It happened yesterday, and I'm bringing it to you because I bring all the juicy news and fashion, anything style, anything weddings, traditional marriages, and all that. Now this is a lovely boo gown by a guest. Very nice. Do you recognize her? If you do, drop a comment. Let me know if you know this babe. Yeah, let me know if you know her. And there's someone else I'm introducing you all to. Such a beautiful woman. This is the mother of the groom. Yep. This is the mother of the groom. The woman you saw before was the sister of the groom. And now introducing the mother of the groom, a very beautiful woman, a teacher, a loving woman, so kind and so beautiful, always stylish, always looking good and gorgeous. This is the brother of the groom cutting the Ankara. We'll call it Ankara, but in English this is garden egg. He's cutting the Ankara to share to his people. Wow, did I miss this part? No way, I can't. This is the bride. This is just when she just finished wearing her first outfit, so she came out. Her friends are admiring her, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe for more juicy updates. I remain Queen the Creative. Thanks again and bye for now.